friends, how are you? So I am now here with the brand new Fire Stick 4K, and this is an American version. I am in Brazil. I bought 3-4 days ago. It came today, and I will compare it, and I will show you the unboxing with the old Fire Stick. So you can So you can see this is the old one. This is the second generation Fire Stick. This is the charger, okay, and this is the extension cord, because sometimes your TV will not, it cannot enter like this. It is a big place, so they gave this. And this is the old remote. So let's start. You can see that this is totally sealed, and I'm going to open it just now, and let's do that. I'm really excited about this because I have a Samsung 4K TV. See, I have Amazon Prime and Netflix, that I can see all those things, but there are several apps which I cannot see. So I really love technology, so I just bought this one. So you can see everything is sealed. This is the brand new remote. Okay, let me open everything first. This is the Fire Stick, and this is the charger. This is the same extension cord. This is the cable, this is the cable, and this is the same extension cord which doesn't want to go out so easily, but I will try. Okay, yeah. So this is different. You can see this extension cord is different, kind of. Maybe it is the wire is also thick. I don't know if you can see this wire is thick. Maybe this wire is 4K, so this is thick. And if we compare the charger, so let me show you. I think charger is the same. Output, yeah, charger is exactly the same. There is no difference. You can see, if you can see, the output is 1 ampere, input is 5 volt, so chargers are same. Now the biggest difference, so it's sealed. Let me open it for me to use it. So here you can see the difference, so the difference in the logo. You can see this has just a smile of Amazon. It has Amazon name also. This one is big, is heavy also, this seems to be 1.5 times more than this one. Okay, and the remote, this is the biggest USP. One of the most important difference comes with the remote. So you can see the remote, you can see the difference though. Oh my god, the new one is smaller. I cannot believe it. The new one is smaller. You can see that. This is the new remote. New remote is smaller. You can see it has more buttons. It has power off button. It has air blaster, so it can control your TV. It has volume up down button. I was not expecting. I was thinking the old one will be the smaller, but is better. I'm really enjoying this. And the last thing, but not the least, the cape. So cape seems to be exactly the same to me. Yeah, cape is exactly the same. So I will make another video when I will connect it to TV. Meanwhile, you can see that these quick manuals are there. Nothing else. There are 2 batteries also. Of course, they have to give the batteries also. So they gave 2 Amazon batteries. Nothing else. So this is it. Thank you so much. I'm really excited to test them. I have 2 TVs. This is why I have 2 of them. I have one Chromecast also. People can say I'm crazy, but I love it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.